So I'm attending this conference as part of the WISHH program. I work on the Africa division, and we brought a trade team of potential and current African buyers, one of which is from Senegal. He's currently purchasing U.S. Value-added soy products, specifically textured vegetable protein. And we also brought a trade team member in who currently actually lives in Atlanta, Georgia, but has some interests in working in East Africa, specifically in the animal feed sector. And what we do with the WISHH program is we promote U.S. soy and try to facilitate trade between the U.S. and buyers in Africa. And so we do that through forming relationships with these companies, providing them with technical assistance, trying to kind of connect them to the people that they need to know in order to make these purchases. And that's why the GTE conference is so valuable and useful for us and our trade teams. A lot of the work that we've done traditionally in sub-Saharan Africa has been food related. So that's been textured soy protein, that's been isolates, that's been soy flour. Soy flour has been used in the baking industry. The textured soy protein has been used in the meat industry, and also it's been used in some school feedings as well as a replacement to meat, which has been a very a good fit for the textured soy protein. And we also work with some companies that are manufacturing soy milk, soy yogurt, and different soy snacks. But recently we're transitioning more towards companies that are interested in manufacturing animal feeds. We see a lot more opportunity in that sector, specifically in poultry and aquaculture feeds. And we have a couple of projects that are focused on poultry and aquaculture feeds in West Africa. So the reputation for U.S. soy, there's a lot of them. I think that the things that we try to help people to understand is that they're going to be receiving a better quality product. They're also going to receive a consistent, reliable supply of the product as well. And the other thing that they're going to receive, what we like to call the extrinsic values of U.S. soy, and that's the kind of support that we provide to these companies, whether it be technical assistance or information campaigns, or trade teams. So yeah, there's a lot of benefits that the customers in Africa can enjoy. Our prediction for the future of U.S. soy in Africa is definitely an upward projection. We see a lot of potential in the animal feed sector, specifically with poultry and aquaculture, areas that we're focusing our programs right now. If you look at the sales information, the sales data, you see that West Africa, Senegal, Nigeria, and Ghana are all currently importing U.S. soybean meal, and they're on a trend to continue to do so and to continue to increase those purchases. So we're very optimistic, and in some cases, you know, the things that we're doing to help put customers in touch with the suppliers, or buyers and suppliers in connection, are the types of things that need to be done in order to continue that projection. So when our trade team went to visit the farms, actually I wasn't there, so I can't tell you. But you know, typically when our trade teams visit U.S. soybean farms, there's a lot of interesting first impressions. They're always blown away by the magnitude of the farms, the scale, the preciseness of the operation, the incorporation of technology, and I think that's always a really great opportunity to let the buyer see exactly where their product's coming from, and that helps them to kind of understand that quality aspect that we always talk about, and so they see that it's starting off, you know, in a very scientific and very highly skilled starting point, and it kind of just goes on from there. So I think it's definitely useful. Our team likes to meet with the farmers, certainly, and the farmers. I think the value of the trade exchange to introduce the farmers and the buyers is very important, because the farmers are interested also to see who's purchasing their product and what kind of things the buyers are interested in, and yeah, so that's always a important part of the whole value chain.